Well, as we work our way through our Thursday, we've moved a lot of that rain activity out of here, or at least it's on its way out here as we head into this morning. We're going to be left with some muggy conditions, though. A lot of that rain, you'll certainly feel that. That humidity is really going to take a spike as we head into this afternoon. Temperature is going to be topping out in those middle 80s. The reason we think it's not going to be nearly as warm is some of this cloud cover looks like it may linger into the early afternoon hours before scooting off to our east. But we got to watch some of these storms trying to bubble up in, I guess, what you want to call the heat of the day here as we head into about 5 and 6 o'clock. But it looks like it's going to be staying to our south. We'll keep an eye on that. But what we're a little more concerned about rainfall chance-wise is what's going to be rolling out of Iowa as we head into tonight. At least models picking up on something like that. Moving into some of our northern counties again tomorrow morning. So we may be doing this whole song and dance with some of these light showers once again into our Friday morning. But again, looks like it's going to be a little bit toasty. Those heat indices really not terrible today. It's tomorrow that I'm a little more concerned about. Could be approaching some dangerous levels in some spots when we get back into those upper 90s. That some metropolitan areas looking at the triple-digit chance as we head into tomorrow. The first time we've seen that this 2020 year. But again, heading into Saturday, we'll be tracking some slightly drier conditions. A couple of things are going to be unfolding into Saturday. Those winds will turn out of a more easterly direction. That'll try to shuffle in some drier air for our weekend. So temperature-wise, again, looks like we're going to be at least in the same spot, but I think the humidity is not going to be nearly as big of a problem. But again, really kind of splitting hairs as we head into our Saturday. Still going to be muggy nonetheless. Heading into more summer-like weather, we also got to keep an eye on this tropical storm Cristobal down in Mexico right now, but hasn't really moved a whole lot over the last 24 hours, but it has 40-mile-an-hour sustained winds. The reason we got to keep an eye on this, watch this track here as it makes its way up toward Louisiana. Looks like it's going to be possibly making landfall about Sunday or Monday as a tropical storm. That's not really much of our concern, certainly, but watch as it moves up through Louisiana, through Arkansas, and there's a chance it could be interacting with us here into mid-Missouri, but that's going to be about Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on how things kind of shake out. You can kind of see those rain chances reflected in that 7-day forecast. Again, largely pretty dry until then. Going to be seeing those temperatures getting back to the upper 80s this weekend. Then we cool down with some of those rain chances moving in by Tuesday or Wednesday of next week.